Hello guys, are you looking for a single detached house and lot na complete finish na upon turnover? Kung ganun, para sa iyo ang video na to. By the way, I'm Jericho Noda, your trusted property consultant. Samahan nyo akong i-house tour itong isa sa pinaka-affordable na single detached house and lot ni Demeterland. This house called Antonina Expanded with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. May gate and fence at nakatiles na rin ang ating car garage. May meetings with architect and open po tayo for modification. Kaya ikaw mismo ang masusunod sa floor plan na gusto mo. Napakaganda ng turnover nito guys dahil complete finish na. Wala ka nang ipapagawa pa. May water and electric connection na rin siya guys kaya wala ka nang ibang asikasuhin pa. Proceed po tayo sa ating main door na naka-solid wood mahogany. Very spacious po ang ating living and dining area na naka-cove and drop ceiling na rin siya guys. Then ito ang ating kitchen area na may mga built-in cabinet, 2 sinks and smoke detector. At meron po tayong powder room dito sa first floor. At ang ating stairs ay naka-wooden handrail, tubular and transparent glass. At kung mapapansin nyo guys, na-tiles na rin pati ang ating second floor. Wooden design ang napili ni client. At ang ating mga rooms ay may mga built-in cabinet at smoke detector. Kaya makakasiguro po kayong safe po ang family po ninyo. Etong si Antonina guys ay may sukat na 100 square meter lot area and 80 square meter floor area. Din ito ang ating master's bedroom na may malaking built-in cabinet and corner window. For site tripping and more details, please send me a direct message sa aking Facebook account. Hanggang dito na lang guys, see you on my next videos and may God bless you all. Bye!